Hello guys, I'm Error Slayer and today I will teach you how to enable Google Gemini app's activity. First, open the Google Gemini app. Then tap on your profile picture located in the upper right corner. Click the Gemini Apps Activity tab. Tap any internet browser. Click the Off button. If the button on your device says On, it means Google Gemini Apps Activity is already enabled. Scroll all the way down on the page that opens and tap the Turn On button. Finally, tap the Got It button. As you can see, we've successfully enabled the app's activity. Now the button says On. I hope this step-by-step tutorial video on how to enable Google Gemini app's activity was helpful. If it was, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.